We're here at the Commonwealth War Graves section at St Woolos Cemetery, and here in the section there are a variety of surprising, perhaps, nationalities and regiments associated with the people that have been laid to rest here. There's a really good but sad reason why there are so many different nationalities buried here in the Commonwealth War Graves section. During the war, St Woolos Hospital was used as a major hospital for casualties. So if somebody was injured overseas, they would have been brought back to Britain, no matter what their nationality. If we were looking after them, they would have been brought back to Newport to be looked after at St Woolos Hospital. Unfortunately, some of those did go on to pass away from their injuries, very sadly. So as a result, we've got a wide variety of different nationalities buried here at St Woolos. Sergeant H.H. Rule from the 29th Battalion Canadian Infantry, just buried here. Private Began from the King's Liverpool Regiment. This serviceman was from the Netherlands. This is the grave of Private O'Leary. He was one of the South Wales borderers, and they have an unusual emblem, and one that I'm asked about quite a lot here. Why does a Welsh regiment have an Egyptian sphinx as a logo? There's a very good reason for that. The South Wales Borderers were a very established force that had fought in a variety of different battles. Queen Victoria presented them with this emblem. These are a ring of immortelle flowers, and they obviously represent immortality. And the Egyptian sphinx is in relation to a battle that was historically fought. Right up until the amalgamation of the South Wales Borderers, this was the badge for this particular division of the army, and it's one that you can see quite commonly around this area, but it is always surprising because you don't expect to see an Egyptian sphinx in a British war cemetery.